Eatery.
Also makes each being so intense.
It's positive and it will show you the shape one.
Automation may be making things more efficient in the factory below. What once took 6 months now takes between 3 and 8 weeks, depending on the complexity of the piece. The artist starts with an underpainting to serve as a guide for color placement. The jelly beans are placed one by one.
Tell me how they make that jelly belly.
Little beans. And right next to me, as I was being filmed, was
Jelly belly.
rows and rows of colorful jelly beans are picturesque. It's a little like polishing rocks in a rock tumbler. Colorful jelly beans are a picturesque reminder of just how many different true-to-life flavors there are. Canning department, where we built up the outer shell of the jelly bean in those large metal drums. This is where they get their glossy shine. The jelly beans still have a dusting of sugar from that canning process they experienced.
Yes.
Just because we made a jelly bean doesn't necessarily guarantee that we made a jelly. And they're one of our top sellers. Back to our Jelly Belly jelly beans. Complete. Jelly Belly beans find their way to tubes that feed into the jelly bean printer. Grooves just the right size. And
Thanks for visiting. See you next time. Bye!